In this video, we will learn how to add security camera to Blurams app. In this video, although I am showing you to this model outdoor light 4, but it doesn't matter what model of security camera you are using. If the security camera uses the Blurams app, then this video is for you. So let's get started. In step 1, we will learn how to install the app and create an account. So this is the user manual and we need to install the app. Its name is Blurams, Blurams. So I'm showing you for both Apple iPhone and this is the Android phone. So in iPhone, go to App Store, and for Android phone, go to Play Store. Now write Blurams, Blurams, Blurams. So yeah, this is the app. So get install. Similarly here write Blurams, Blurams, and install. So the app is installing both Android phone and Apple iPhone. So open. Hello. So I'm in United States. You can choose your country. So continue. Now here it also installs. So open. So agree. Then yeah, choose your country. Then continue. Now if you already have an account, then you can sign in, but if you don't have an account, then we need to sign up. So sign up. Now we need to enter our email address, and the process is same for both iPhone or Android phone. So now I'm showing you only for the iPhone and keeping this one right, but the process is same for this one. So enter your email address and then click next step, and they send a verification code. And if I check my email, you need to check your email, then you can find the verification code. So this is the verification code, register account. So Blurams send the code, that is here 24246722. So next step. Now we need to choose a password. So I enter my password, then finish and agree. So the account creation is done. In step 2, we will learn how to add the camera to this app. So this is the power adapter. So we need to give the power connection, and the other part will go here. Here. Now it will get the power. It get the power. Now we need to choose add device, and you can pick the camera that you want to add. The process is same for all model, so you can pick your model. So those are indoor camera and these are outdoor camera. We also the video doorbell, and my camera is this one, outdoor light 4. You can see it's written outdoor light 4, or you can see the picture is same, outdoor light 4. Click this one, then Wi-Fi connection, and it says see the red light is flashing. Red light is flashing. So see allow while using app. Now we need to choose the Wi-Fi name and its password. This is my Wi-Fi and I'm entering its password. So I enter the password. Now next. Now we need to hold this one. We need to hold this QR code in front of the camera. Yeah, so I heard the beep. Now it says the device is connecting to network and it may takes 1 to 2 minutes. Please wait a moment. It also says please keep the router, smartphone and the device as close as possible. Yes, the camera is connected and now the light changed to green, and the question is how we can control it. So if you see, yeah, you can see the camera now. To take picture, you can press this one, then you can take picture, and if you want to make video, then press this one here and it will make a video. And if you want to hear the sound in front of the camera, then press this one, then you can hear the sound. If you press this one, it will rotate. Yeah, it will rotate. Yeah, that's it. If for some reason camera doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, then we need to reset the camera. So the question is how you can reset the camera. So on back of the camera, if you open this one, there's a reset button here. Okay, reset button, and this is the SD card button. So to reset it, press and hold this one. Press and hold. Yeah, you hear the beep. So now the camera is resetted. You can then try again and very highly likely it will work. Thanks for watching.